We will now look at section 159, which is an absolute bound amending the amendment provisions. What does section 159(2)(c) state? It stipulates that no amendment to this Constitution may ever repeal any provision in Chapter 10 of this Constitution, infringe or diminish the effect of any provision in Chapter 10, or repeal, infringe, or diminish the effect of this chapter. So there is an absolute bar on amending the amendment provisions. And you'll find that this absolute restriction is not found in previous Fijian constitutions, namely the 1970, the 1990, and the 97 constitutions. In these previous constitutions, you needed only a two-third majority of parliament approval to pass a bill which were a more appropriate and rational threshold requirement. So having discussed all of this, we now look at the proposed amendments in the bill. So up on the monitor, these are the proposed amendments which are highlighted in the bill. The bill only wishes to amend section 159 and section 160. So for section 159, the bill is proposing that there be a removal of the prohibition or the absolute prohibition of any amendment to Chapter 11. The bill proposes to delete in its entirety section 159, subsection 2C. In respect of section 160, the proposed amendment is to change 3/4 threshold to 2/3, in line with the case studies found and espoused in the 70, 19, 1997 constitutions, and also for registered voters to be amended to votes of registered voters. Again, perhaps to wrap up this presentation, why do we need to amend? Because of the public call to review the Constitution. Also because the amendment provisions of the 2013 Constitution